What's going on? This is Kareem from DJBooth.net, and I'm here in the lab to give you guys a quick unboxing and first impressions video of the new Pioneer CDJ-3000. So just like you guys, I've been waiting for Pioneer to strike back from all the other companies out there that are making really good DJ gear, and Pioneer kind of just been left back in the dust a little bit for a few years, but now they bring out the CDJ-3000 in order to answer back from everything that the Denon Prime series has, and we're just going to take a quick look at the CDJ-3000. Pioneer was gracious enough to send me not one, but two CDJ-3000, so we're just going to only unbox one for now. We also have the Pioneer DJM V10 mixer as well. We're going to unbox that as well, so make sure you guys hit that subscribe button right now. Make sure you hit the thumbs up so that way you guys know exactly when the all-out review video for the CDJ-3000 is coming. Should be within the next week and a half, maybe 2 weeks at max. I also got that phase review for you guys coming up very soon, shortly as well. So as always, make sure you guys subscribe, make sure you guys stay tuned. But right off the bat, again, this is the CDJ-3000. Let's get this one out of the way because we only need to unbox one, of course. But as with everything else, we are going to compare this to the Denon SC6000 as well as the 6000M. We're going to let you know what's different between this and the Denon Prime series as well, and let you know what are the hit or the misses or what's different from both players when we do that full out review video. So let's just go ahead and unbox this bad boy and see what we get as soon as we take it out of the box. So right off the bat, you guys can see all the packaging here. The front of the package is the CDJ-3000 in all of its glory. You guys can see the side there with the CDJ-3000. Says the same over here on this side as well. It also says it on the top and on the bottom. So let's just open it up and see what we get inside. You guys seen all the other videos on this that I've also seen as well. We saw the Digital DJ Tips 1 hour review. We also saw Mojax do a quick dive onto this CDJ-3000, and we also saw Crossfader do a pretty good review as well. So we'll be late to the party, but you guys are going to value my opinion. You'll see exactly what I think about the unit and my thoughts as we go through everything. So first off, what you get as soon as you open this box is you see the unit, but you also get these different side cutouts, so that way you get your power cable on one side. And what we have here is a set of RCA cables. You also get a digital RCA cable, which is better. Actually, I'm going to take these out of the package so you can actually see what we actually have here. We have the really nice, high quality digital cable. It's a single like RCA cable, but the ends and the leads are all metal and they really feel super high quality, so you're getting that in the box. By the way, these do come in at about $2,400 in the US market, and they are available right now for purchase. You have the RCA cables. They give you some pretty cheap but normal basic RCA cables as well, so you can connect that into your mixer. We also get an RJ45 cable, and the RJ45 port is increased to gigabit, so that way you can have up to 6 of these players sharing a single drive, and we'll get to that in the review, of course. And then you also get your quick start guide here as well. Right now, this is not working with Serato DJ, but in the very, very short future, I'm sure this is going to work with Serato DJ, with Virtual DJ, and hopefully even Tractor with new updates going forward. Alright, so next up, again, we have the power cable here. It's a nice locking style power cable. We'll show you a close-up of that so you can see exactly how that looks, but it has a nice locking mechanism, so when you plug this into your CDJ, it can't accidentally be pulled out or yanked out unless you deliberately press the button in order to pull it out. So that's a really huge plus. Alright, next, and the last thing in the box is, of course, the CDJ-3000 itself. Nice. All right. So here it is, the CDJ-3000. Has almost the same footprint as the CDJ-2000 Nexus, you know, so that way people who are familiar with the 2000 Nexus are automatically going to be familiar with the CDJ-3000. You have a very nice weight to it, nice form factor. It actually feels a little bit heavier, a little more solid than the 2000 Nexus. It has a nice aluminum faceplate, and it actually feels like it's more sturdy, more robust than the old faceplate. You know, I actually like all of my gear to have a lot of metal in it. So one of my minor gripes with all of the CDJs is that it didn't have enough metal, but this actually feels a lot better than the other one, so I'm not going to ding this one in that category too much. On the back, or on the bottom of the unit, it's mostly plastic. You can see the feet here. It looks very, very similar to what we had with the CDJ-3000 Nexus, but you also notice that we have little cutouts here and little grip points, so that way you can grab this and take it with you a little bit easier if you're one of those DJs who's actually going to use this with you on the go. So that's pretty cool to see. On the back you have your audio RCA out, your RJ45, and your digital out as well, and you also have this locking type of power connector here, and you also have your USB port and a Kensington lock. On the front, you'll notice, as being a CDJ, there is no CD slot here. So many DJs, or some DJs are out there that are still using CDs that might take a little issue to that. You can notice that it has a bigger screen than before. It's a 9-inch screen here, when before on the CDJ-3000 Nexus 2, it was only a 7-inch screen. You have some touch controls here, but not much. You don't have multi-gesture or multi-touch controls, but you do have a little bit of touch controls here like you would find on the XDJ series. You have all of your familiar browsing knobs here. You still have your nice mechanical feeling jog wheel, but this time it doesn't sound and feel as mechanical. Feels like it's a little bit updated. It also has ridges in it, while the other CDJ Nexus 2 was actually a smooth type of feel, but this has nice ridges in it, so it's probably easier to grip. You have your adjust jog for start and stop times. Then you have your nice 8 different hot cues here. They're not like performance pads that you would find on controllers and on the Denon Prime players. They're only used for hot cues here, and they're different colors, so that way they can be color coded to what you see here on the screen. So we're going to have a big full review on the CDJ-3000 within the next week and a half, maybe 2 weeks at max. So make sure you guys subscribe, make sure you guys stay tuned, and make sure you hit that like button if you like the videos like this one. And as always, thanks for watching.